it's me again. Before I start this video, thought I'd take my personal information off of here, even though this is not where my personal stuff is, but you know what, hey, I probably should take the personal stuff off of it, because it is what it is. So, with that said, I'm ripping all the personal stuff off, doing an unboxing video, and if you like my videos, like, subscribe, tell me how wonderful they are, and I'll keep going with them. So anyway, without further ado, here's a box with the label ripped off. And what says, of course, if you read this, pause it, you'll know what's in here. Got on Amazon for like 30 bucks. I priced these out here in Canada, and they are not as cheap as this one. This is a UBYTX12-BS 12-volt battery, which is heavy as shit, actually. Comes in a brown box, woohoo, brown box, yeah. And comes in a paper, plastic bag, of course. If you want to see, I think it was $36 US. An ATV battery here in Canada is probably 100 bucks. Let's see. That's the battery label thing, jiggy, whatever. It's on Amazon. Non-spillable, 120 watt upstart battery. Factory activated, maintenance-free, sealed lead acid battery. So good about it. It's sealed and it's lead acid. Here's the bolts. Basically, just the battery. Woohoo! Fun, huh? Fun. Until they took my T-bird away. So yeah, that's my bolts. Let me just take this plastic off here. What is this battery going in? This is going in a 1985 Honda Big Red. Because lately everything on this channel is about a Big Red. Oh, and I also have to make a little carrier. I don't know what. Yeah, for the end of the month. There's a thing online. So let's take this out of here. I just want to put. Oh, it comes in a little. Look at that. See. Ooh, rubber. That's neat. It's a little. They wasted all that technology on a piece of rubber for that. What I'm gonna do is this here. Take the screws out of here. Just stick that in there. And just put it in there gently so I don't lose it. Because I'm going to lose this. Take my 25-cent screwdriver. Oops. And drop it, of course. Just la-di-da-di-da. There we go. Let's see if that goes in there. There we go. See? Get this off of here. I know one thing about these batteries. They always put them in a place that is notoriously not really the most exciting place to put them. Like, they put them in the worst freaking places. So you're like, you literally have to be you either have to have fingers like as small as a toddler, or be a contortionist. And I don't know. Sometimes I'm not too impressed with it. So anyway, there's the. Oh yeah, look at that. There's the battery. Hello. Amazon does have its perks. Sometimes it's better to support a local business, but sometimes it's good to support local businesses. But when you are like losing 70 bucks, roughly, I don't know. You have to like ponder, like, does a local business, do I allow it to eat $70 more to keep them in business, which they may not even be, or do I buy it on Amazon for under 40 bucks? It's the same thing with a lot of things. And in Canada it's even worse, because like a $10 item in the US is probably 30 bucks sometimes. Sometimes it's the same price. Sometimes a $10 item in Canada is 30 or 40 bucks. So I'm like, order on Amazon, like, screw this fascist country sometimes. It just doesn't make any sense. So yeah, with that said, like, subscribe, click buttons, and tell me how much you love my channel, even if you don't like it. Can't please everybody. I'm not here to please everybody. I'm just here to have fun and make videos. Why not? And if you are new, I got lots of videos. Thanks for watching. Doodles.